Oh no, a leak. You must be the plumber.
I heard you need someone to fix your pipes.
I've been waiting for you all day.
Looks like you have a big problem.
How big are we talking?
Very big. Maybe I should go down there and take a good look. Microfractures in your drain assembly are compounded by gasket failure, culminating in a breach at the P-trap compression junction.
Do I hear banging? Maybe I can help with the banging.
Nope, all finished.
So soon. I'm afraid we don't have any cash. Is there some other way we can pay you?
Oh, I'm so glad you asked.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah. I have a couple of payment plans. 4 interest payments every 2 weeks, or 0% financing for 6 months. Pay it off in one lump sum.
Is that moaning I heard? Bonsoir. I was just shampooing my kitty.
Ah, how was the water pressure?
Why don't you come see for yourself, mister?
Forget it. He really only cares about the plumbing.
Doritos Golden Sriracha. Spicy,
Oh, yeah?
but not too spicy.
Knock, knock. Did anyone order a extra large sausage?
That would be me. Microfractures in your drain assembly. Sorry about that. These are my lines.
Is that a wrench in your pocket? Or are you just happy? Oh, no.
Yeah, this is a 2-piece universal pipe wrench.
This is a whole lot of pizza.
I'm a whole lot of man. That was pretty good. Sexy. Not spicy. Hello, Doritos.